Hello friends, you are watching Bharath Tech Studio. My name is Bharath Kumar. Today is January 1st. We celebrate New Year and also the Global Family Day. I have uploaded a video about New Year, the link in description. Please watch the video. Global Family Day. One day of peace and sharing is celebrated every January 1 in the United States as a global day of peace and sharing. Global Family Day grew out of the United Nations Millennium Celebration, One Day in Peace. Then we have to move about history on Global Family Day. Originally supported in the United States by Linda Grover, the efforts to promote the day include a 1996 Children's Book Day, One Day in Peace, January 1, 2000 by Steve Diamond and also Robert Allen Silverstein, which was translated to 22 languages, and Autopine Naval Island by Grover herself. Reference Slevan Patrica, 27 February 2010. Linda Global worked to note Global Family Day at 76. The Boston Global retrieved 26 March 2021. Hello friends, this is a short video about a Global Family Day. Thank you friends. Please support us by subscribing our channel. If you like this video, please give a like for the video down. And for our all latest notifications, subscribe to channel, press the bell icon for our all latest videos notification. Thank you friends.